Good morning, Smith Station High School. I'm Taylor Hasty with your latest edition of PNN. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Senior dues deposit of $75 is due by September the 6th. You can see Mrs. Hammock or Mrs. J. Bird to pay. If you are interested in joining Rho Kappa, pick up an application from your history teacher or Mrs. Chansey. Applications are due back no later than tomorrow. See the requirements on the screen for eligibility guidelines. Yearbooks are on sale for $65. Buy yours today and you will get the lowest price of the year.
The Panther Park is officially open. Students can pre-order between 8:20 to 8:40 a.m. They may pick up their pre-orders and make regular orders between 9:40 to 11 a.m. See the menu on the screen for what's available.
Here's some information on the Smith Station Athletic Passes.
Smith Station athletic passes are still available during all lunch waves in the cafeteria. Passes are $50 and will get you into any SSHS regular season home games in any sport.
Here's today's lunch menu.
Today for lunch you will be having chili and grilled cheese or a cheeseburger with sides of buttered corn, garden salad, and fruit.
And here's today's birthday shout-outs.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh.
Here's Waverly with today's high school sports.
Our volleyball team took a big win against Opelika Tuesday with a score of 3-1. We would be happy to see you at the next game on Wednesday against Beauregard. This Friday, football will have their first home game against Valley. We hope to see you in your college attire at school Friday, and remember the jungle theme is rave. The boys and girls cross country team travels to Fayetteville, Georgia this Saturday for their next meet. Good luck to both teams. We will have the results of both meets next week. This has been Waverly Peters with your high school sports.
I had a chance to talk to Bailey Banks, the HOSA president, on when the dues need to be paid and what HOSA is.
If you are currently enrolled in one of Ms. Riggs' classes, you have the chance to join HOSA, and you need to pay your dues by September 3rd because no late dues will be accepted. We do many fun things throughout the year, including taking cards to the nursing home, doing a blanket drive, and a blood drive, so join HOSA now.
Be sure to check us out tomorrow and do not forget to wear your college colors to school.